Hello everybody, today I'm going to explain you how to prepare a sandwich. I am the teacher and the chef, Jesus Sepulveda. Are you ready? Let's go. The ingredients are bread, mayonnaise, mustard, avocado, tomato, lettuce, yellow cheese, vanilla cheese, ham, and one knife. The step number 1, you're going to spread the mayonnaise on the bread. After that, you're going to add a slice of ham. Put a slice of yellow cheese on a ham. If you like mustard, you're going to spread it on the second slice of bread. Now you're going to cut the avocado, take care with this, and spread on the slice of bread. It's a delicious fruit. Now it's very important to wash the lettuce with a lot of water and disinfect it. When the lettuce is dry, put on the sandwich. After that, cut a slice of tomato and put on the sandwich too. Now the last ingredient, you're going to slice of vanilla cheese and put it. And that's all. It's ready to eat. Now you can prepare your own and delicious sandwiches. Enjoy it. I hope you liked this form to prepare a sandwich. Practice English all the time. And thank you so much for watching my video. Goodbye.